Well, welcome back. It's been a while. Not going to make excuses, just not really, not been in the right headspace to actually film something and go out and do stuff with current climate and all that. Just got down the beach, just been popped in and seen Ali. So I'm going to go out and just see what I can find. That's it. It's nice to be here. It's nice to be back. So yeah, let's crack on, see what we can get. Alright, beach looks a bit shingled up. Should be alright. I was just go and see if we can find out nice. It's just nice to be out, isn't it, really? Look at that. Some surfers out, surfing. It's nice. This took a battering the other day as well. Put some of these ones, these all got ripped up, and you know, you can see how far away from sea we are and all defences in front of it. It's like, you know, proper took a battering. It's really scoured it out on this corner here, look. Well, you didn't know what it looked like first off, did you? So it don't really matter. Anyway, oh look, there's Rick. Let's talk to Rick. Happiest man in Dorset. Where have I been? It's been lockdown, hasn't it? And yeah, I don't want to make excuses. Like, you know, I don't. This is something I do for fun. So when you get videos, you know, you get videos. That's it, innit, really. You know, you get what you're given. If it takes me ages or months to do it, I'm still here, I'm still doing it. But yeah, I'm doing the workshop though as well. Gonna have a revamp in the workshop, so I've got to get cracking on that. But it's just nice to be out. Look, it's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. It's just so nice. But yeah, I've got a young family. I said I'm not going to make excuses, but now I'm giving you my life story. I've got a young family. Oh, look at that. Coprolite. Really worn one, but yeah, nice. Fossil poo. Fossil poo. That's fine. Nice coprolite. Has it got some bits in? Let's have a look. Yeah, you can see some scales and stuff in there. Yeah. Bit poo. Look at this. We've had a big fall here. Sort of see. I don't get too close. Sort of see how much it's come down. All that cliff section there. It's a bit hairy. Look, it's quite undercut as well. I want to stay away from that. I don't want to get that on the head. But yeah, that's coming down sometime soon. Quite a bit of pyrite around here. Where you're looking, sort of see the pyrite. Sort of see it's always worth having a little scoop to see if you can spot some nice ammonites. I don't know. I am going for the big stuff today. You know, I'm going for the blocks and smashing stuff open, but it's always nice to have a little peruse over the pyrite patches. It's always nice to pick up a nice shiny pyrite ammonite. But yeah, anyway, nah, not say any. It is really weird though. Like last time I came down here, this whole beach was stripped clear and you could see all the flats. And that was only like a week and a half ago, and now it's just totally covered up in shingle again, which is just, yeah, it's a bit odd really. But yeah, that happens. It changes so much. It changes all the time, but it is gorgeous. Nice. So I'm going to get down this corner, have a little search around, have a little see if we can find anything nice. And yeah, if I find out nice, I'll turn it on. Otherwise, it's going to be a bit of a boring video. So yeah, that's what it's like sometimes. Though sometimes you find something, sometimes you don't. That's the way the cookie crumbles. I've got a fossil poo. I'm happy. Do you know what I mean? I'm out. It's fresh air, I'm happy. It's good. Anyway, I'll see you if I find out decent. I mean, just looking down here, you've got a really nice belemnite. Looking there, you've got a bit of beef rock ammonite. You've got some bivalves in this one here. I mean, there's stuff like for kids to pick up. Like even just looking over here, you got like other bits of belemnite and stuff, but they are sort of snapped off. But you know, there's plenty of stuff for kids to come down. It's pretty safe here as well. You know, there's no chance of sinking into mud. But you've got, you know, plenty of bits to be going at. So yeah, it's nice, not bad. There's some stuff about. It's really been scoured out here. I'm going to have a good search around here and see if I can find out nice to whack. So I just got this one here. Now I don't know. It might be a bit for where it is. I see the sort of shape on it. I don't know whether it's a woodstone or if it is, it's a big saucer shaped one. I'm going to dig it out anyway. Yeah, dig it out and then say it's probably going to be a stellari, but it's the shape of it that I like. It's like a real, yeah. I'll dig it out and we'll see, give it a whack. Ooh. Stellari. It's a stellari. Keep looking. Ah, broken. Shame it broke. A tiny one. Well, that were a bit meh. So I did find one nice fossil coprolite, which is good. Oh god, filthy. Yeah, that one that I was trying to dig out turned out to be an odd looking, an odd shaped stellari nodule. It weren't like one of the big round ones, it was a bit more saucer shaped, so it kind of flummoxed me there, but kind of left that one. But I got a poo. I'm quite happy with that. You know, it was just a quick walk on the beach, and it was nice to be out. So nice to be out of the house. But yeah, there's loads out today. Loads of people. But they have had the Coast Guard. I don't think it was a rescue. I've just talked to Terry, and he was saying that they've been cordoning off a bit of the beach down there because they think there's a cliff fall imminent. So if you do come down, if you're local and you come down for a little wander, just be really careful of the cliffs because they are pretty unstable at the moment. With all this rain and frost, it's just quite dangerous. But yeah, so I think next one I am going to get in the workshop. I'm going to redo the workshop, so that's the next big project. Because I keep going in there and I'm like, oh, just like spiders and, do you know what I mean? It's not a space where I want to actually get in and work. So I'm going to redo the workshop, make myself a nice desk, get some better lighting, paint it up so it's nice and bright. It's just a bit dingy and a bit meh. Do you know what I mean? I could use the space a lot better. I could wiggle it around so I've got a lot more room. Get some racking in there so I've got like some work, you know, get it organised. That's what I need to do. But anyway, that was just a quick walk on beach. And to be honest, you know, I got one water-worn coprolite and a little smashed ammonite that I smashed. Tiny ammonite. But, you know, that's how it goes sometimes. And I think I just said to Terry, should I put it on? You know, it's going to be a bit of a rubbish video. And he was like, no, you got to show people that you don't find something all the time. So yeah, anyway, rock on, be cool, and I'll see you in the workshop or down the beach again, depending on what we do. Cool.